if you want to learn how to make from $1,000 per month, making the websites, developing the websites and sales funnel for other people, but at the same time having no programming or developing skills, this video is right for you. Because in this video, I will be telling you how to use Kartra platform to intuitively and very easy develop websites. And I have the special gift for you as well, so you can try and start your business like free of cost totally. I have a 30 days free Kartra trial that you can download and you can subscribe to using the link below to this video. Usually if you enter the Kartra website, you will not get any trial at all, or you will get maximum 14 days trial. With my link, you will get 30 days trial, which will be enough to try to start your business and make it profitable. So go to the link below, and in the couple seconds I will show you the video, because it's a little trick how you can get the 30-day free trial. To get the free 30 days Kartra trial, go to the link below and click start your trial. You'll have the page with the pricing plans, and as you can see here, you can just get the trial for 14 days. But to get for the 30 days, like, you have to go up like you're going to close the page. Just don't close it. And here you go, the pop-up window will go, and you see here you get the 30-day free trial. So you have to click yes, double my trial, and then you will have the window to put the data of your card, credit card, and pay $1. But please keep in mind, you're using it for 30 days, and delete your credit card since you don't want to use Kartra. And 3 ideas how you can use Kartra if you are not the professional developer, coder, or IT specialist, how you can use the Kartra to develop the websites for other people. Like, the first way, it's obvious, you can develop the website for other people, for your clients. Basically, you can create the typical templates, and if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, I will be sharing with you the free templates for different types of the websites in the further videos about Kartra. So if you're interested in this, please keep subscribed to this YouTube channel, and you will be updated the nearest time about those free templates you can integrate in your Kartra and use, basically not even developing this. But you can use Kartra to make the templates of landing pages, personal websites, company presentation websites, websites like a sales channel for some business or for some digital products. Or, for example, I made the website for my father's book, right? So you can make like different templates of websites and use them and sell them to your clients. This is like the very simple way, and you can scale a lot here. The second way how you can use Kartra to make money is not only to develop the website, but also to take the monthly payment for maintaining this website. Because if you make the Kartra fully automated or semi-automated sales funnels, you have to take track of the help desk, you have to take track of the leads that are like people basically who want to buy your product, who are added to the Kartra database. You have to run and maintain the website. So besides of developing the website itself, you can have the monthly payment from your clients to maintain and help them to develop their online business. So this is the second way how you can make money with Kartra. And the third way, which is actually can be very profitable as well, if you will develop the typical templates for different websites, you can place it to Kartra Market and sell to other people through Kartra Market, making the income in this way as well. You can become the Kartra affiliate and recommend Kartra to other people together with the templates and make money like this also. So those are like 3 main ways how you can make money with Kartra, not just using it for selling your own digital products. I hope this video was interesting for you and you will use it for you. So I remind you, you can subscribe and get the 30-day free trial through my link. Please do this and try use Kartra by yourself. And as well, please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you want to get the free Kartra templates you can integrate into your account and basically start selling them instantly.